What's inside? Did you have another egg? Oh my God! Who gave you that? Pero yun lang yung na-mention niya, guys, na it looks like she's got Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Thursday everyone. Time check, it's now 5:40 in the afternoon and as you can see, nandito kami sa sasakyan ngayon ni Daddy Mike. Pipick upin na natin ang ating baby girl from the school and gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo guys before kami umalis quickly na earlier this afternoon pumunta pala kami for our baby girl's 20-week scan. So, as of today, our baby girl is 20 weeks and 5 days old. And then, ngayon lang kami nagpa 20-week scan, guys. And what's your thought? What's your feedback about that 20-week ultrasound, Daddy?
Yeah, like it was all good news. All the measurements were perfect. The date is still sitting at around August 14 or August 13.
Yeah.
Long legs, apparently.
Yeah, yun yung sabi ng guys ng sonographer. So, yung sonographer namin this afternoon is the same one nung 13-week scan namin. It's because, you know me guys, kapag obsessed ako sa isang tao, no, the thing is, she's really good at what she's doing and her service is really good. Do you agree with me, Daddy?
Mm. Kaya
sinundan ko talaga siya, guys. Marami kasing branches yung Marina Radiology, guys. So, last time sa Burwood kami. Tapos, this time, nakatoka kasi siya sa one turn na. So, mas malayo siya. Pero, gora pa rin sa atin yun. Kasi, gusto ko talaga siyang sundan, guys. Kasi gusto ko talaga kung paano niya gawin yung pag-scan, yung ultrasound. So, the same lady. So, it means, alam niya, she knows, you know, the background, the history. She knows the 13-week scan. So, you know, obviously, mako-compare niya.
Is that the last scan?
Dalawa. Huh?
Is that the last one?
Yeah, the last one. Until the baby comes out. Yeah. So, yan yung last na scan, guys. Hopefully, there's no issues or anything like that. Yeah, issues. Yan na yung last scan until lumabas ang ating baby girl, which is very exciting. We're halfway now, guys, diba? 40 weeks ang full term. So, we're now 21 weeks. So, just less than halfway. Just less than halfway. All the measurements looking perfect, sabi niya. Pero yun lang yung na-mention niya, guys, na it looks like she's got longer legs. So, there you go. I got long legs.
Big guy. Hey, can we we gotta just remember to get Vaseline too.
Yeah, we will. So, I will insert some photos na medyo clear dito sa screen, guys, para makita nyo rin ang ating baby girl now. Yung iba, alam nyo naman, guys, na yung nakakaintindi ay yung sonographer tsaka yung mga doctors lang. Like, minsan ako nga, while nandun kami sa loob, sinasabi niya na that's the 2 kidneys, ganito, ganyan. Pero guys, yung nakikita ko lang is yung parang ano lang sa screen. Wala talaga akong maintindihan. So, yung sana intindihan ko lang, guys, na mga photos na kinuha niya, I'll insert sa screen para makita nyo rin. Because I find it really amazing. And as always, yung ginagawa ng mami nyo, umiiyak kasi very emotional si mami nyo na tao. So, umiyak na naman ako kanina, guys. Wala namang bago, guys. No, always naman akong umiiyak talaga. But for now, we have to go pick up Paris. And then, very exciting kasi it's going to be a really long weekend for us. It's Easter. So, bukas Friday, wala nang work. Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday kasi Easter Monday, so walang work. So, back to work tayo Tuesday, which means we have 4 days off. And I am so freaking excited to just rest and just relax and do nothing. We'll see how it goes. Wala tayong plano. Do you have any plan, Daddy, for this weekend?
Is anything open tomorrow?
I don't think so.
No, Saturday, I mean.
Yeah, I think so. Saturdays, Fridays.
We should go for
Saturdays and Sundays.
We should go look for some cars.
Yeah. We'll see.
A few moments later.
Hello. Hello. Where's your bag? Oh. Do you know where your bag is? Ha? Ang bata nga buling ito. She didn't have a nap today. No nap. Duka na po niya siyang magkaunong po ni hapon. Shush! What's inside? Did you have another egg? Oh my god! Who gave you that? Who gave you that?
Okay, put it back in.
I found it.
Who?
I found it.
Phoenix?
You found it.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
they must have been hunting.
Oh, okay. Drink your water.
Drink your water.
Drink your water na.
That's not for you. That's for someone else. Come on.
Ah, they made like
Don't
an
Daddy hold
Easter
your bag?
basket bag.
Good day. Yeah.
What is that?
Yeah.
You have a prize?
You have a prize?
No, you have a prize.
Ang bata nga pa itag prize every time pick up.
You have a prize,
Ask Daddy if he's got a prize for you. Ask Daddy.
You have a prize.
Have you been a good girl?
Yes, you have a prize.
If you've been a good girl, then I've got a prize. Okay, okay?
Yeah, did you have a good day, Paris?
Yeah.
What did you do?
I'm a parent.
Who are you? Sky. Okay. If you say so.
Are you playing with Mary?
Now, we went to see baby sister.
Not brother, sister.
Sister, that's right. Yeah.
Brother, sister.
She's big now.
She's speaking.
Yeah, she said, say hi to Ate Paris, she said. Yeah, she said, go, go, gaga.
She's a little one.
Huh?
But she's a little.
She's little.
She's little.
Yeah. And you're Ate Paris, so you're bigger.
And scratch it. Okay.
Stop.
Let's go.
Yes. The prize mine.
Your price is here.
Where?
It melted.
Can she have us now?
Yeah. Daddy's got it, nak. Away.
But it's melted, so you have to eat it.
Don't make a mess, okay?
Open mouth. Open.
Away. Yum yum. What did you say to Daddy?
Okay, Dad.
A few moments later.
Time check tayo, guys. It's now 7 o'clock. Ang kakapark lang namin sa labas ng bahay. And tingnan niyo ang ating baby girl. Masabi ko naman sa inyo kasi hindi siya nag-nap sa school niya kaninang hapon. Kaya ayan. Ngayon lang kami nakauwi kasi nag-stop kami sa shops. May binili si Daddy Mike. So, hintay-hintay muna ako dito, guys, sa sasakyan. Hintayin ko muna ang ating baby girl. Patulugin muna natin konti. Oh, himbing na himbing. That's what you get pag hindi ka natutulog sa school. Someone's having yogurt. Someone's having yogurt.
It's from Mela.
Hmm?
It's from bread.
Ayan. I'm just making her pasta, guys, for dinner. And then, update pala sa ating gum, sa ating ngipin. Ayan. Hindi na siya namamaga talaga, guys. But I can feel the, yung thread, yung stitching niya sa ilalim. Nafe-feel ko kapag nagsasalita ako. But other than that, there's no more pain, which I'm very thankful about. So I'm just enjoying watching my baby girl. Yan lang muna appetizer niya, guys. Para nagluluto si mami ng pasta. Nanonood siya ng... What are you watching na? Paw Patrol! Paris ay kumakain na ng kanyang dinner, guys. And si mami nag-iisip kung anong kakainin ko. And then, I noticed na meron pa pala akong kanin na naiwan from last night. So, iinitin ko na lang yun. And you know what? Alam niyo kung anong gagawin ko ngayon, guys. Pinalabas ko si Daddy Mike dito sa kusina kasi sobrang maamoy. Sobrang maamoy talaga. The other day, nung pumunta kami ng Filipino shop ng bestie ko, guys, bumili ako ng bagoong anchovies. Ang sobrang maamoy talaga, guys. Like, I know, nakakain ako ng maraming bagoong ginamos na guys. No, mamagin ako nadakaan. But this smell is intense talaga, guys. Iba talaga yung kanyang amoy. Sobrang maamoy talaga, kaya pinalabas ko si Daddy Mike. Pero yung gagawin ko, maliit lang naman yun, guys. Kunti lang. Ayan. Yung gagawin ko, gigisahin ko with, ang tawag dito, kamatis, tsaka onion and garlic. Ayan. Kunti lang, pang dinner lang ba? Kasi gusto ko lang medyo may maalat-alat. So, yan yung natin, guys. Dinner natin. Madali lang naman to, guys. Parang pakuratan na siya sa oil. Tapos, yung mga kamatis ko pala, guys, yung mga maliliit. Ayan. Ito lang kasi yung nasa fridge. Parang diretsahan kasi yung pagkaisip ko, guys, sa magluluto ako ng bagoong, ginisang bagoong. Kaya, yun. Anyways, this will do. As if na magkakain ako ng kamatis, guys. Pang char-char lang po. Parang nawala na yung laman, guys. Tingnan nyo, parang naging sabaw. Pero ang amoy, sobra grabe. Nag-dissolve ang bagoong. Anyways, okay lang sa akin yun, guys. Kakainin ko pa rin yan kasi sarap. Hi guys! Time check tayo. It's now 10:40 ng gabi. Yan, nasa bed na kami. And kakatapos lang mag-grab ni Daddy sa ating tummy. So, yan yung trabaho ni Daddy. Kung hindi si Daddy, minsan si Paris, guys, nirarab nila yung tummy ko before bedtime. Kaya yun. But Daddy, umalis si Daddy, pumunta ulit siya sa labas. Nanood siya ng Netflix, guys. Kasi alam niyo naman, walang work bukas. So, it's really good. Makakapag-relax tayo. And, yeah, so okay lang na medyo light-light tayo matutulog tonight. Bawi-bawi sa tulog bukas. But, i-end na natin yung vlog. Maraming salamat for watching today's video. Yeah, super happy today sa resulta ng ating 20-week scan. Very happy about the feedback. And I'm super happy na our baby girl is, you know, growing healthy and beautifully inside our tummy. Wala na talaga akong mahihiling pa, guys. Like, you know, just the health of my family. Enough na talaga yun sa akin. But yeah, we'll do a quick shout out. First shout out goes to Renato Manuel, Ray's Chano, Paciencia Paschas, Aiza Rica Diaz Mediona, Emily Solestre, Chari Urishal, Juliet Yap, Carlota Papio, Margie Mata, Maria Ross, Elena Sarmineto, Jane Karampatan, Lyra Belenzo, Belendi Jesus, Irene Aliperio, Jerry Toribio, Nelia Capales, Sweetheart, Brenda Bismar, Arlene Hanoras, Marjorie Hikobe, Stephanie Fisid, Mrs. Geiger, Chulit Lantaka, Clarita Navarro, Emily Reyes Bailon, Neneta Del Rosario, The Shih Tzu Bebe Boy, Jane Franco, Marlene Largo, and Eleanor Tanutan. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Anak, dito pa lang ating baby girl, guys. Oh. Anak, thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of his family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, Paris, Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.
bye. Bye, guys.